He looked so fine and handsome with his bright red dress. He was singing beautifully high up in his tree. I said to him, dear Robin, please sing a song for me. Sang until his heart's content, a merry little song. But now that winter's over, my little Robin's gone. I hope I'll see him next year, sitting in his tree. And if I ask him nicely, he will sing once more for me. Tweet, 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 he sang his little song. Tweet, 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 he sang it loud and long. Winter's come round once again, my Robin's back, you see. He tapped upon my window pane and sang a song for me. So if you see her, Robin, this is what you do. Go tweet, 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 and he'll sing along with you. Tweet, 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 he sang